You can drop real sound effects straight into your text. No audio editor, and inserting them is completely free. Here is how it works. Start with your text and put the cursor where a sound should play. Click the music icon to open the sound library. Browse the categories. Under Interior, open Bell, and there is our doorbell. Press play to hear it first. Click Insert. The sound tag drops in at your cursor. Add as many as you like. There is no limit. Here is what got inserted. The id is the sound itself, the only part you actually need. Name is just a readable label. Some clips are long. Watch. Open the dogs category. Neighbor dog barking is 25 seconds. Far too long. Drag the left handle to trim the start, or the right handle to trim the end. I only need the first bark, so I pull the right handle almost all the way in. And preview, one clean bark. Now the tag carries a start and an end. The volume drop-down sets how loud it sits under the voice. This bark is quiet, so I lift it above 100%. Insert it where Rex barks. And see how the tag grew. Trimming added start and end, and the volume drop-down added volume. 2 sounds in, click, convert to speech. The voice reads your text with every sound woven in. 1 file.
It was a quiet evening at home. Rex jumped up and barked.
So, where does this actually shine? You have seen how it works. Now, 7 ways it makes your audio sound finished, each with a fitting voice. First, storytelling. Pick a warm narrator, like Amber. Open the library, browse effects, creak, and insert. This clip is long, so I trim it to just the creak. Then a roll of thunder from Natural Phenomena, trimmed shorter, and insert. Convert, and listen, you are inside the scene.
The floorboards creaked in the dark hallway. Outside, a storm was breaking.
For a phone menu, choose a business voice, Jenny. There is a whole IVR category. Grab a greeting chime. Short, so no trimming. Press insert. Then, a dial tone. That beep is long and loud, so I trim it to a second and drop the volume. Then press insert. Convert, and it is a clean auto attendant.
Thank you for calling Acme Support. Press 1 for sales.
Safety messages need a firm, formal voice. Avery. Open effects, siren, and insert. The siren runs 20 seconds, so I trim it to a short blast. Convert, instantly urgent, and official.
Attention! This is a fire drill. Please leave the building by the nearest exit.
A station announcer voice. Guy. From indoors, airport, that chime before every announcement. Trim off the tail, and insert. Convert sounds exactly like the real thing.
The next train to the city center departs in 2 minutes from platform 4.
For teaching, a friendly voice. June. Reward the right answer. A success chime. Short, press insert. And flag the wrong one. An error tone from apps, then press insert. Convert. Feedback your learners feel.
Correct. Not quite. Try again.
Ads want an energetic voice. Davis. Open the trailer sounds for a cinematic boom. Trim it punchy and insert. And a cash register to close? No trim needed. Insert. Convert. a spot that stops the scroll.
This weekend only, 50% off everything.
A calm voice. Claire, under an ambient loop. Browse effects for a gentle ocean wave loop. Trim it to a few seconds, then press Insert. Convert, sleep stories and meditations, same box.
Breathe in and slowly let go.
Thousands of sounds across dozens of categories. Star your favorites or automate through the API. Free, no sign up. Try it at SpeechGen.io.